Namaste everyone, this is Rupi Raja and today I will give the review of Quant Arbitrage Fund Direct Growth Mutual Fund NFO. Talking about arbitrage funds, before talking about the Quant Arbitrage funds look for arbitrage opportunities available between the cash and derivative markets. In other words, the arbitrage fund managers look for price difference that they can exploit between the cash and derivative markets. These terms can appear very complex, but in reality, it means that they are just looking at any mispricing of different assets and they will just take advantage of it. Practically, these arbitrage funds are not risky at all, even though they have a lot of involvement in the equity markets. Arbitrage funds may also invest in debt securities and equities if there are no more arbitrage opportunities available in the market. Arbitrage funds are taxed exactly like equity mutual funds. It means they qualify for long term capital gains of 12.5% if the investments are held for more than a year. If the investments in arbitrage funds are for a time period of less than 1 year, short term capital gains tax of 20% will be applicable. Talking about Quant Arbitrage Fund Direct Growth NFO, you can go to your brokerage account or you can go to your bank brokerage account and see in the NFO section there will be like four open mutual funds as of now. And if you click on Quant Arbitrage Fund, it will tell you about the launch date, allotment date, the NAV and the end date. And if you go downstairs, in my brokerage account they don't have the scheme details, but if you want to read about the scheme details, just google Quant Arbitrage Fund Direct Growth and you can like have some search options over here. And in that, if you see this PDF file from the official Quant Mutual Fund website, if you click on it, this presentation will open and go through the presentation. They will tell you about the Quant Arbitrage Fund and its scheme details. Personally, I will park my money in Parag Parik Arbitrage Fund. I prefer the safety despite low returns. In talking about the Quant Arbitrage Fund, the expected rate of return will be 7 to 8% over 1 year. And you, if you want, you can use this NFO to park your money for less than 1 year. In my experience, a lot of investors, if they have like the equity markets are very overvalued, they book profits from their stocks and they park their money in arbitrage fund because they know for sure that over like 1 year there will be some opportunities wherein they can quickly take the cash out from the arbitrage fund and they will again invest that money into the stocks. So this NFO is good, and if you want you can definitely invest in this NFO. Personally, I will not invest in this NFO. I will invest in Parag Parik Arbitrage Fund if I have the money to park for less than 1 year. So that's all for now. This is Rupi Raja. Thank you.